Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch this. I don't know if you guys are paying attention, right? I'm going to say a couple of things. One, there's solid proof that Jamaican people are more into the drama than anything else. And here's the reason why. Saw a video go up this morning, right? And some so-called vlogger put a video up, and his title was LA Lewis expose SouFLoTV about what's going on in Mavado shooting situation in Casava piece. Expose SouFLoTV, you know. That dunce idiot boy put up LA Lewis expose me. How would he expose me when everything he said is not what I said? But then on top of that, check this out. On top of that, everybody who's saying nothing ever happened and all that, wanna see what go on a Casava piece now? Eh? Y'all see what's going on? For my audience members, man, I've been gone all day, and we just painted the whole house today. 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and I'm tired. Right? My brain just paint off a 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom by myself. I'm tired, so I never want to give you no video this evening, but I'm gonna put up the video anyway. But check it. Y'all see what's going on in Casava piece, right? Is it a coincidence? And then Mavado flies out and leaves the country. Yes, Mavado has left the country. Now Mavado can't leave the country because he's on business, right? He's an artist and he's booked for shows outside of the country, and he's off to do his shows to fulfill his obligations. He's always touring and he's always performing, so anything can happen where it's that. That's the reason. But isn't it coincidence? Isn't it perfect timing that all this happens and then Vado fly out? I'm not trying to put nothing on the man. I'm just saying, for those of you who think nothing is happening in Casava piece, and you go take your little video camera and go over there in the late night, screeching around and can't even go into the place, but you're going close by the place, right? Pretending that you're so down with what's going on over there, and you know everybody when nobody not check for you over there. Telling people about SouFLo is lying and all these things. And then man door get kick off and man get shut up and then set on fire and all these things. And then the next one dead again, violently. Back to back to back. Ever since Mavado's incident, right? Ever since Mavado's incident, look what happened right after. Now y'all can admit it if you want to and say it looks like things could add up to be that. Or you can just play dumb like everybody else. You never did it, you don't know where they're going, so shut up. Whatever. Law enforcement, I hope them can do them job, but we know how Jamaica run already. Right? And we see what time it is. We're not dummies out here. My audience members, man, I'm so tired. I didn't want to give y'all a half-ass video this evening, but I had to step in to let you know that I'm paying attention to what's going on. Somebody linked me already early this morning and I said, yo, SouFLo Casava piece up on fire right now. Casava piece is on fire right now. And me I say, me busy right now, but me pay attention later. By the time evening time come down, somebody else get killed again in Casava piece. Do you think? I'm going to keep this video very short. What I want my audience member to do is go do your little ones and two, your little reviews. And I want you to pay attention to how the negative videos, for instance, when the dunce idiots are disrespecting people that are about progress and productivity, notice how thousands of views those kinds of videos get. And when you're someone having an intelligent conversation, your videos now make them the kind of views then. It has to be about killing and about hurting each other and about dramatics. Yeah? And then that's how you get the views. And lies. And headlines that have nothing to do with that video. SouFLoTV exposed. Anyway, leave in the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you think it's all connected? What's happening in Casava piece right now? Matter of fact, my people on the ground, right? Link me already. And yes, I do have people in that area. And my people on the ground link me already. I know things that I'm not talking on social media. I'm out here playing fool to catch wise. So, in this video, I'm asking you, do you think that what's going on in Casava piece right now has anything to do with the altercation or incident that happened with Mavado yesterday? Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm extremely tired. I'm gonna go get some rest. I've been up all day. Thanks to my beautiful wifey Brains. She helped me out today a lot. So we had to pretty much bring this property back to enough work. She tired, me tired. I'm gonna go to bed and I'll catch you tomorrow morning on the morning thoughts. Alright? Stay tuned. I have one more day of dealing with this whatever I have going on, and I'll explain to y'all later what it is. Sometimes I can't make a right hand know what your left hand do, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't been talking much. But I realized that this week I didn't give the channel the kind of videos to sit down. But one more day, give me one more day, and we're gonna hash out everything just like we do over here on SouFLoTV. So big up on yourself. Leave your comment in the comment section below and pay close attention to Casava piece. I told y'all, someone linked me and said, SouFLo, stay tuned. Watch it. More things about to happen. And see there, it's happening. Alright? Talk up. I'm out. Peace.